Okay, we're back. Day 4 of 4. We did our epoxy clear coat yesterday. You can see the gloss on the floor turned out really good. By the way, before we get going, if you like what you see, please subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment, whatever you want to do, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to flip this camera around. I'm going to show you what we got done yesterday and explain to you what we're going to do today. Okay, so here is the floor we did yesterday. You can see the reflectivity is awesome in this floor. There's slight texture, which you're going to have with a floor like this, but it's not bad at all. I mean, you can wipe your hand across this. It's not aggressive. If you want something that's easy to clean, which you need something smooth that's easy to clean and highly gloss. So this is a high gloss. So we're going to put down a single component urethane top coat. It's actually CFS 356. We're going to set this camera up so you can watch what we're doing and go from there. All right, so we're just getting set now to do the top urethane coat. We have that in a blue 18-inch tub here, so we're going to dip and roll. I'm going to set this up on time lapse so you can watch us. So here we go. So this is dip and roll. So we're dipping the roller, we're rolling it out. We're trying to roll perpendicular to each other so we make sure we don't miss anything. You cannot see the floor at all. It's crystal clear on crystal clear. So I roll one way, Jeff rolls the other way, making sure we overlap. Every once in a while I'll walk out and check to make sure in the light you don't see any dull spots. And got everything covered up. We are good to go. Okay, so we just got done with the urethane top coat. I can't walk out there obviously now because this is the finished coat. I'm going to flip this around so you can look a little closer what it looks like. Same high gloss as we had before, but this is the urethane and definitely very odorous material. It smells pretty bad in here. So I'm going to try to do this quick so we can get out of here. Okay, that's the finished floor again. Real high gloss. And that's it. We're all done. We're going to load our equipment. We're going to call it a day. We appreciate you watching. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment if you want. I appreciate your support. Thank you. Here is the before, and here is the after. Thank you for watching.